This dresser has a beautiful finish and it works so perfectly as an oversized nightstand or like a small dresser maybe in a closet to do socks and underwear and that kind of thing. It also works really well as an entryway piece or pretty much anywhere in your home on a small wall for extra storage. My favorite part is the rattan finish on all of the drawer fronts. It just adds so much texture that I really love. It of course comes with the instructions and hardware that you're going to need in order to build it, but you do need to provide your own screwdriver and hammer. And they highly recommend that 2 people build it because it does come in many parts and it took about an hour to assemble, so it's much easier to do it with 2 people. It does have some real solid wood parts to it, but the majority of it is particle wood, so you always have to keep that in mind with pieces like this and make sure that you don't fill it too heavy because the drawers can only take about 11 pounds each. The drawers glide really well because they are on tracks with wheels, so you're never going to struggle to get these open and closed. I love this piece and it has been a great addition to my home.